Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today we will learn about schedule summary. iOS 15 and all the above iOS updates have introduced schedule summaries. Schedule summaries are used in your phone to give you a summary of the notifications are not time sensitive and you can receive them anytime on the day you want. For this, go to your settings and click on notifications. Here you can see the first button says schedule summary. Click on it and turn it on. If you are setting up a schedule summary for the first time, your iPhone will ask you for certain permissions for which you have to continue. Since I'm already using the schedule summary, I am directly redirected to this page. Let's set it. If you want to receive the first summary at any time of the day, say 7 a.m., you can set the time to 7 a.m. At this time, whatever applications are enabled here, iPhone will give you a summary of these applications in the morning at 7 a.m. every day. A second summary can be set at any time of the day. For example, I set it to 10 p.m. the night before I go to sleep. By enabling this, you will receive a summary of your chosen applications. You can also add another summary, or you can delete any summary by clicking this button. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, as this helps me to come up with more informative content.